Hey everyone, Lens Manos here, and welcome back to Captain of Industry. Alright, we just completed research into settlement water. Let's jump in, and I think it's already tiered up. Very good. We're already on our way. I cannot find any trees to harvest. Okay, we need to probably um, harvest more trees. Is that better? Good. Let's see. We've got things happening. I don't want to burn through. I really need to get into oil. Coal here is working as required. All right, let's look at settlement water. So water extraction and processing, rainwater harvesting really wouldn't hurt to get underway. That's probably bad, isn't it? Because this is where no, don't do that. Cancel it. This has inputs, does it? From memory? Let's slow the game down a touch. From memory, transports pipe. You have an input? I cannot remember. So let's rotate this around, and I'm going to pop it here for the moment. It's, again, terrible placement, but we'll work around this and see what we can come up with. And also in terms of water, we need... I was going to say, is that like... No, that's not going to work there, is it? Do I need to place it out here somewhere? We need to have a dump. I'll run pipes, probably this way. All good. Things will happen here. We'll need some wood. Apparently that's all it requires. Oh no, construction part and... let's see. So, research, we're on basic diesel, which is good. We'll get some diesel. I believe there's fuel here. Let's have a look. There's overlays somewhere. There they are. So this is... crude oil is that tiny little pocket there. Is that it? I believe the idea behind it is you go offshore for oil. So this small amount will keep us going for a very small amount of time. Got some refugees in. They would have brought some materials. I don't think there's any oil up here. No, it's literally just that little blob. Isn't fantastic, but we'll work around it. This is almost gone. And then we will switch over to using the other type of iron. So not far. Probably need some sort of storages soon. Do I have storages yet? Unit storage, I do. So I could make one here. Pretty close. This uses iron plates, right? Yes. So I can make one. You know, let's do this. And worst case, I bring the other one out this way, because this requires iron plates too. So we're going to convert this and have this as iron plates. And then once I get transports, the conveyors, I'll be able to put a conveyor between here, and we'll be able to pump iron plates straight into here. Right, rainwater is up. Hasn't collected any water yet because it hasn't. Now, can I? No. I thought we could pump into here. Where's the water input then? Because normally when you bring up this... I was under the impression that we had water being able to get in there. I mean, I'm assuming it will hold water and they'll be able to truck it out. Basic diesel is done. I am considering, I think I need to turn this off. Mainly because we're coming to limits of housing, and I don't want to run out, even if we could do with the materials coming in. Shipyard's overloaded with cargo. Okay, well, I probably need to make some storages for each of these things. Maybe one for construction parts over here, because now we've got this storage for iron. They will transport, look at this, transport 22, yeah, I'm hoping, yes, look at that. So we'll be able to get stuff going. If I make a storage for, well, that's maintenance. This one's making the construction parts. If we make a storage here, and we'll make that for construction parts. Is this almost done? 5 left. And once we get through this 31 here, we'll be able to switch it over to this. Okay, it's gone. Just need to get them through this last little bit. It does take 9 of each type. Building, and we're going to assign it as construction parts. So once we get copper, oh, we've got oil, don't we? We've got diesel. Crude oil refining, so we need an oil pump. And a lot of this is going to get put right over here. Sure. And then the distiller. Quite inefficient, produces a lot of waste. So in the case of this, input. Outputs this side, inputs the other side. Got waste coming out one. We're gonna work through doing this. I do need a smokestack. A liquid dump. I get this terrible placement. That'll do. And we need to run pipe. Weird connection, but low. Okay. I'm gonna go to there. Come on. Is there a key to switch it? No, it's going up. Y. Control button. That's the one. It's on the screen here. I'm looking at it going, where do I go? Then I need to go one from here. Where is it? Hello. Oh, because they're in the way. No, that's not going to work, right? Why will you not connect? You are around the wrong way. Is it because it's not built yet? Maybe. Don't know. Doesn't want to connect. Nothing's working for me. Alright, we'll let that get built. That'll give us some diesel soon enough. Okay, are you out of material yet? Missing input. Switch to this one. Switch this one off. Alright, that should mean we start getting... Here he comes, the truck coming over. Oh, no research. We've already done loose material storage. Let's open the research. I probably need to go into copper now. I really think that's our best bet. And then I don't know whether to... I'm going to need this one. Concrete mixer. Because I think I need construction too for that. So add that, and then let's do... Oofed. That'll do for now. Alright. Right. You construction parts. You are building construction parts. I am probably burning through construction parts quite rapidly. And as soon as we get those conveyors, I'll be able to get rid of this truck interaction. But this guy will be coming over. It'll be, I guess, probably need to go that loose storage. Ooh, and fluid storage would be a good thing as well, right? He's gone all that way to get fuel, and that's our problem. We need to generate diesel. This one's just going to accept wastewater. And this one going to output wastewater and diesel. And I'm hoping we can truck the diesel to here. Eventually I'd like to get a fuel station down here somewhere. That's not available yet. Should be collecting water. Hey, we've got 40 water. And you're okay with water. You have 0 water. 60 of 60, 52 of 60. Yeah, see, we don't want to go too much further. Just food. Okay. So how does water work? Is that a thing to deliver water to the farm? To the irrigated farms? Settlement water. Water facility. Okay, so where's the water facility? What am I missing? Oh, there it is. Duh. Right, so I kind of want it... Could have put it over here. Like, that's really in a bad spot. I mean, it's okay. I'll change what I need to change, and we probably have trucks moving water from here to there once that's built. But we need to get water in there. 6 people work there. Goodness me. What are we doing for iron ore? Doing its thing. I don't want to have to build more trucks yet. Once copper's done though, we're going to need a copper mine. Where are we going? We don't have any dumping yet. And this is partially done. Cost me 3 Unity, I've got 18. It's already getting the stuff delivered. You need... That would cost 5 Unity to build. It takes 20 power. But yeah, I will need a second one of these for iron. For copper, once we get copper going. And we need that soon because copper will run out. It's not overfull anymore. Yeah, shipyard is overloaded. We need somewhere to keep diesel. We need... Can't even make rubber yet. Diesel production. Yep, extract oil. Yeah, other parts of the world map. Which is toxic liquid and gases. Gas can be released to smokestack, and liquids can be dumped into the ocean with a liquid pump. Careful as pollution may affect the health of your population. Yeah, but that's why it's over here, right? Okay, so this is up and running. Well, it's running until the pipe gets put in. Now, can I build that other pipe? Build that. It was one, right? Okay. It needs coal, so the truck's coming over with some coal. I'm hoping that the diesel will be pushed out here. We do obviously need to hook up the wastewater. Whoops. Pipe. Why can I not get you to connect? Normally you can just click here and... Oh, yeah, it's connected this time. Thanks. I'm going to go up. I'm going to go to here. Up. I don't know how many I need to go up. I want them to be able to drive under here if needed. I don't know if two's enough. How much? Can you stop it? Oh, putting joiners in. Stop it. Wow, it's expensive. That's expensive. This is being built, yes. Waiting for one more construction part. Again, I don't even know if I'm gonna get far enough in this game without dying. Got iron underway. Yeah, looks like we're starting to dump slag over here now. Which will eventually give us a ramp once we get through enough mess. Guessing this is being built. Yep. And this was a terrible spot for this. Living food. Oh, are we out of fuel? Yep. Oh no, it's got one. Plenty of fuel, it's just not needing to make any. More slag being dumped. Really coming down now. Okay, so logistics, two-way ways, yep, trucks and transports. Yeah, 2 or higher. Okay, so I was okay. Nice. So there's ways of splitting conveyors, it's good. As long as we have a way of getting in there, it will be okay. So this is producing diesel. I don't know if Trucks be allowed to collect a product. Yeah, I'm hoping that the diesel can be picked up from here. That's a weird one, but this needs to be made too, right? Probably need to get the loose storage silos done. Oh, this guy's just driven all the way over there to get fuel. Oh. Oh, he's got fuel. Nice. Pickup converts into an oil tanker. Or a diesel tanker. Will it just deliver it to here? You're delivering it to somewhere else. Oh, you're full of wastewater. Okay, so I don't need the pipe, but it's going to deliver all the way over here because is this one built? That one's not built. That tanker will drive all the way over here, which is inefficient. You'll dump the water. Cool. I do like that mechanic where any truck can be anything. A nice touch, and they just change the back of the truck depending on what sort of material it is. So once we get copper smelting going, I might just place it in here. And what we should be doing actually while we're waiting for that. I've already got the tower. Oops, that's what I'm on. Already got the tower. I need to build one of each. One of them. It's not ideal, but let's get it going. Got a few workers available. You are moving water. Very good. We've got water set up here. They'll be delivering water. Let me guess. This is only delivering to that one. Oh no, it's delivering to both. Very good. And then wastewater will come out. And once I can afford the pipe work, we can run the pipe around here until we can afford it. We'll leave it as is. Are you actually getting diesel picked up though? Yes. Awesome. This is where I got stuck in the previous time I played through when it was back in the press release I was playing. I did get stuck due to not being able to get diesel. Now I don't know if these guys can refuel from here or whether I need to have the fueling station, but I couldn't get diesel, so I'm hoping I don't run into that trap again. Judging by this, I think we should be okay. This stuff is new. The whole truck import export. Okay, we are good. 2 Unity a month from the people. Copper smelting has been researched. So I pretty much need to build a whole new set of this. Will there, and I could share the smokestack, but that's just there. And then a metal caster here-ish. And this will be for copper. Oh, that's iron. For copper. And this will be molten copper. And we will run a molten channel. Hello. Like that. Goodly, goodly. How are you doing? You are building this, and I'll assign it to that other. We'll get assigned here. And then I'm going to assign one of these trucks, and then the next one that gets built will drop back into doing stuff. On their way. We've made the channel. It's all good. This will take a little bit more. And then we'll be making impure copper from this. So it will take twice as much impure copper to make the same maintenance, but it's better than running out, right? So potentially I should switch this one to being impure copper once we can, so I can save that last bit of copper that we've got, because I don't think we can use impure for the other machines and the other buildings, so the sooner the better. The sooner we get these conveyors going too, so I can just put one here. Funny how they prioritize this, because it's so not cheap, but it's cheaper. Alrighty, so burning through the wood will eventually make a path through here, so they don't have to drive around the houses. They're loading up on copper ore. How are we doing out here? Sure, let's quick build it. It's just one. There you go. I don't know where we're losing the one unity. Because of one of these or something. No, wastewater's working. Okay, so that's now just producing diesel. The more crude oil it gets, which this is just very slowly pumping through. I'm happy for that to just do its thing. Coal seems to be okay. And I'll level this out and then start digging into the earth, I think. Same with here. It's the idea, I level it off first and then dig. Alright, so I think we're in an okay position. We do need more water. Do need probably another one or two of these. The water in. And I think there is a groundwater extraction eventually. Cool. Alrighty. Probably afford to just tick that up a little bit. This guy gonna dump the slag. Nicely done. And I don't want to probably prioritize this. I don't know what else is left to build. Actually, that's all built. It's just these two. They're building the. Well done. Let's build this first. You deliver to there instead. So I can turn it into plates. I just can't melt it yet. It's going to take a moment. Oh, we're back to +1 unity. I'm guessing the water's collecting, and that's a thing. Tell us where we're losing it? No, research lab. It would have been something that we were losing Unity on. Alright, we got diesel being produced. We are getting into copper. Don't have anywhere to go yet. We are very close to being able to smelt our own impure copper. Once this is built, we will be... Oh, we've got a cap of 20, so I mean it's probably worth just doing it. Let's just do it. So that truck should come screaming across. Here he comes. Whole one. And what do these take to build? 25 construction parts. So I can have like coal, iron, and copper, and they could just deliver to here, and then someone could deliver there to here. Maybe. I mean, we could. This is probably terrible. They're not in the best spot, and eventually we'll work on how to run conveyors from there to here, but we'll get these things underway. And if I set this up to be coal, this one up to be copper, this one up to be iron ore. Once they're built, they will automatically fill there. I'm hoping... I don't even know where the diesel's going. Okay, so this... Are we actually melting? Okay, this should be working now. Oh, we've got 6 copper. And I need to switch this like that. We've got a fair bit of maintenance stuff here, so switching it over will be okay. Construction 2 is now done. Construction 2 gave us electric assembly, concrete mixer, which I'm assuming we make roads. And then we're going to start making conveyor belts. Fuel station is also in there. 5 excavators going back and forth to refuel, build this station, and so on and some trucks. Okay. And ship dock repair, that's expensive. But I mean, if we put the refueling thing here, guessing we could get them closer so they don't have to drive all the way up here. We could have it central. Ooh, is this working? Cool. I'm assuming this guy will just dump to here now. Yeah, over the wrapping up point. So I will just see if this guy does the delivery. And if so, fantastic. You go to here. No, still going to deliver to these things. They still need deliveries. And I mean, we could probably run belts eventually to these two. Once those conveyors are done. But that'll be next episode. So until then, thank you all for watching. Hope you're enjoying the series, and I will see you next time. Bye now.